Hi there guys, it's Mike from the Jessops Academy team and I'm here today at Canon to have a look at Canon's new Speedlight, the 470EX AI. Now, I am not going to talk you through this, my good friend Dave is going to do that, and I am going to model.
Okay, so this is the new Speedlight 470EX AI that we've got. Now, I'm going to demonstrate this and show what it can do, because seeing is believing really. So we wanted to use a model for this, but we couldn't get one, so I'm afraid if we could get you to stand over there. Thank you very much. Right, okay, so direct flash isn't the most flattering way of shooting people. You tend to blind them. You also get a sort of shadow in the background and this kind of thing. So the nicest way to shoot people is using bounce flash. The bounce photography is actually quite difficult to do, to get the angles right. If you're too far forward, you end up with shadows under the eye and this kind of thing. Too far back, you can sometimes get the shadows behind the person. So what this does, this will automatically work out the right angle to give you the best bounce effect. There's a button on the back. When you switch that, you go into fully automatic bounce, and there's a button on the top here. Now if I hold this up and then push this button on the back, you'll see the flash has fired twice. What that's done is it's worked out the distance to your subject and the distance to the ceiling. Now what I can do is take a shot and you get a much more natural bounce effect. What's great about this flash gun is it works on orientation as well. So if I move the gun like this and press the shutter button twice, it will automatically change its angle to give me the right kind of shooting angle. Once again, it will go back to that angle. So that's the fully automatic. Now let me show you the semi-automatic mode. If I push the button on the side and then set the bounce angle, I can then shoot. And then if I change orientation, the flash gun will automatically move to whatever I set the bounce angle to be. And it will move between orientation. And there you go. That's a quick demonstration of the Speedlight 470EX AI.
Thank you so much to Dave for that demonstration. If you'd like any more information on this flash gun, you can check it out at jessops.com or visit any one of our stores. If you've enjoyed this video, give us a like and hit subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.